Don't eat the grass. Ziva. Ziva. Here it comes. Here comes the sprinklers. Ziva. Are you trying to jump up? Whoa! You can jump high, can't you? Hey, get out of there. Ziva. It's coming. Sprinkler's coming. It's coming. It's coming. You like getting wet, don't you? Don't eat my grass. Ziva. Oh my goodness, you're just so hyper. It's coming. It's coming again. Oh my goodness, I can't keep up with you. Ziva. Ziva. Where are you going? Where are you going? It's coming. It's coming. Sprinkler's coming. Are you tired now? Are you tired? Now you want to eat the stick. No, Ziva. Don't eat the stick. It's coming. Sprinkler's coming. Now you're tired of getting wet. Yeah, there you go. Jump. Jump. Where are you going? Where are you going? No, you can eat my feet. No, you can't eat my toes. Here it comes. Here comes the sprinklers. I guess you're more interested in a stick. Oh, you can't eat that. Here it comes again. Here it comes. Here comes the sprinkler. I guess you're tired of the sprinkler, huh?